Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a collection of stories in the Facebook app. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to put your likes, write your comments after watching the video, and let's get started. So friends, first of all, open the Facebook application. After that, you need to go from the main page here to your page. Then tap on the three dots and then Archive. Now click on History Archive, and that will take you to all the stories that you've ever posted on Facebook before. Now friends, open up absolutely any story on this list. And at the bottom, click on the heart sign. Now click Create a new collection of stories. You can sign it here in some way. Also friends, you can add some more moments. It could be some moments from your camera or from your story archive. It absolutely doesn't matter. After you've done that, press Done and Done again. This way, you'll be able to create a new collection of stories on your Facebook. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please friends, put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.